Recording? Yep, everything's rolling. Alright. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Little Lucky. Welcome back to another video. Today, my video gamepad is doing so weird today. Like, literally, I cannot connect. Like, literally, I cannot connect to the internet for some reason. As you can see, there's an error code. There's literally an error code. Oh, nope. Alright, so if I click, look, connect to internet, connect to the Nintendo network. Come on, my little brothers. Anyway, it just says this, error code. Nintendo, please fix this. Now, I will actually prove, like, my friends aren't online. So, let's go ahead and actually go to my... Alright, so I will go to my system settings. Right, look, go to internet, connect to the internet, searching Wi-Fi. Oh, my bad. Alright, search Wi-Fi, come on. I connect to my internet. Gonna cut this out. Okay, now, click OK. I have my password. Alright. It's connecting to the internet. Now watch what happens. Load up. Check mark is here. Now, if you can just load up fast. See, check mark there. Alright, now if I click OK, it's just one. Alright, set. Now watch this. I have my internet set to 1, right? Like my connection thing. Now, it was brilliant. Everything is working good. But, for some reason, it's just gonna glitch out. Watch this. Because there's not gonna be any, like, you know. Wait, I'm gonna cut this part out. Alright, finally, we're here. Right, please wait. There you go. Now, watch what I do this. Where are all my friends? Press friends list. Watch closely. See? Why does it do that? Look, it's just gonna show an error code. I don't know why, but Nintendo, please fix this. Like, literally, if I go to Minecraft, like, it's like so annoying. Like, I literally can't do anything. So it's literally such annoyingness. So please, Minecraft. Well, Nintendo. Please, Nintendo. Don't mind my little brother again. Please fix this, guys. Or, well, Nintendo, if you're watching.